If you're looking to dive deeper into 2D animation with Blender's Grease Pencil, I have something special for you. I want to introduce you to the Magic Storybook course by CG Boost. This comprehensive program is designed to take you from beginner to pro, guiding you through every step of the animation process. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to get started with Grease Pencil and fully explore a hybrid 2.5D workflow. Imagine creating colorful drawings that exist in 3D space instead of just on a flat page. With Blender's powerful Grease Pencil tool, making art feels like drawing in air, allowing you to create vibrant digital worlds with more freedom. The Magic Storybook course features over 10 hours of content, including 2 parts, the Fantasy Village scene and the Alchemy Lab scene. You'll get hands-on experience through practical projects that will build your skills and confidence. Each part includes multiple chapters where you'll learn about the tools and settings of Grease Pencil, create stunning scenes, and animate your creations. The course is totally beginner-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a drawing pro or new to 3D. You'll have access to downloadable project files and support whenever you need it. So just click the link in the description below to check it out. And just so you know, it's an affiliate link, which means if you purchase anything through the link, we'll get a small kickback. By doing this, you're also supporting us in creating more content like this. So don't wait. Check out the Magic Storybook course by CG Boost and take your animation skills to the next level.